Well, it's Sunday up at the tiny house, and as you can see, we've got a whole lot of snow. I'm currently getting in my truck to drive into town, and as you can see from the back and forth, we're a little bit stuck, but we'll get out of here. I think we've got close to 20 inches on the ground as of right now, and as you can see, it's not easy to get the truck anywhere right now, but it's in four-wheel drive and just got to work it out of here, but we'll get her turned around and head into town. So it's been a while since I was here last. The very beginning of November, I believe. It's been even longer since I posted a video. Probably the middle of October was the last video that I was posting. So here I am. We're almost out of the driveway and we're off and heading into town. So I'm back. So let's just talk about the project and what we got going on a little bit. It's been super busy at work, so I haven't really had time or opportunity to get up here as much as I would like. But I came up here yesterday and I came in, opened the door in the tiny house, and I decided right on the spot that I was going to spend the night here. So I spent the night last night. It was pretty cold. At least when I first got here, 15 degrees I think inside the tiny house, maybe 19 outside. I turned the heat on and managed to get the place really comfortable and warm. It was really nice in here last night by like 10 o'clock, but I had spent a little time in town waiting for the place to heat up, and by the time I got back it was pretty comfortable. The loft was plenty warm. The downstairs took a little more time, maybe another hour, and we were comfortable on both levels, so it was a good night's sleep. I had a good time last night, watched a little TV, did a little schoolwork, and did a little planning for work this week, and just kind of relaxed and enjoyed the place. But I kind of regret the fact that it's been so long since I've been up here, so I got a few weeks here that I'm going to try to plan on getting up each weekend. So let's just talk about a little bit about the project that I decided to take on. I decided to put the door on the bathroom, something I've been waiting to do for a while, and we're just going to get started on it, heading into town now to get some new hardware. I had originally planned to use barn door hardware on the bathroom, but needed too much room to be able to do it, and it would have shrunk the opening up too much. So changing my plan, that's why I'm heading into town. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.